All right, YouTube, here's part 2. I mean, we didn't really get the fast forward version of putting the tracks on this time. Wasn't able to get all that captured. Just not enough cameras. But yeah, this is our shop build, the Defender Limited 2021 Camo Max. Got the LT360 tracks mounted on them. They look really good. These cars with tracks on it just look mean. Of course, we've got all the link stuff on the bed for you to put your shovel or your axe. More in there. We put the cargo light. Of course, you guys saw that in the first video. But I just wanted to give an update on the tracks for this, since we finally got them on. Pretty good picture right there. All right, guys, another update on the work build. Just finished putting in the new Can-am Rearview mirror. That is from Can-am. It's a pretty sweet setup. Bolts right to the top of the roof liner there. I think is what they call it. Looks good. I'll come back around and show you where they mount the camera. Camera gets mounted right there. So yeah, I wanted to get this on as well, since we just did the tracks. When you get the tracks on it, it just makes it so much taller. So having that camera makes it nice for when you're backing it off the trailer or whatever. But yeah, she's looking pretty good. We just got to get that roof rack on once we get one. All right, we'll see you guys for part 3 of this build. It'll be the roof rack and all the lighting. We're gonna do a bunch of LED lighting because this guy wants to be able to see at night. So cool. We'll see you then.